Hello everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to open and use the avatar settings window in Roblox Studio. This is where you can configure the default appearance and character settings for your experience. Let's get started. At the top of Roblox Studio, click File, then select Avatar Settings. The Avatar Settings window will appear at the bottom of Roblox Studio. On the left side, you'll see different categories that you can switch between. At the top is the gear icon, which contains avatar presets. For most games, I recommend selecting consistent gameplay. This keeps every player's character at the same size, giving everyone a consistent gameplay experience. Next, open the body section. Here you can adjust your character's body scale. You can also customize different body parts for your character's appearance. Now let's move to the Clothes section. This is where you can set the default clothing for your characters. You can assign different clothing assets, such as shirts, pants, shoes, and other supported accessories. On the top right corner, click the Preview button. This enables the character preview, so you can instantly see how your settings affect the default avatars. Let's try increasing the body height scale. Notice that all 4 preview characters update in real time, making it easy to compare how your changes look before publishing your game. Finally, you can choose the default character type for your experience. Select either R6 or R15, depending on the style you want to use. You can also choose the default animation pack that new characters will use when they join your game. When done, click Save button to apply changes. And that's everything you need to know about avatar settings in Roblox Studio. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Roblox Studio tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.